Hi, welcome to Sociology 32400, Individual and Society. My name's Dan and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. Normally I'm not going to appear on video like this, but I wanted to take some time to introduce myself and introduce you to this course. So I'm a PhD student here at Kent State University. Before coming here, I earned a master's in sociology from the University of North Carolina at Charlotte. I also earned a bachelor's in political science and a bachelor's in sociology there. This course is all about social psychology. Specifically, this course is about sociological social psychology. There's another kind of social psychology called psychological social psychology, but we're really not going to get into that area in this course. If you want to learn about psychological social psychology, you have to take a course from the psychology department. So what's the difference between sociological and psychological social psychology? Well, there is actually a lot of overlap between psychological and sociological social psychology. Social psychology is about as individualized as sociology gets, and it's about as social as psychology gets. But in social psychology, both sociologists and psychologists look at the relationship between individuals and larger groups of people. We are interested in how social beliefs, expectations, and common social understandings impact human behavior. And both perspectives share an academic history. There are some differences, though. For our part, sociologists are really concerned about how society is influencing the individual. In this course, we're going to look at a few different ways that society and the individual interact, examining things like meaning-making, group organization, power, emotions, and the impact of society on the self. So there are just a few things to get you oriented to the course. First, if you haven't read it yet, be sure to check out the syllabus. It has a lot of important information. If you have questions about the course's scheduling, requirements, or grading, the information you need is probably in the syllabus. Second, this course is all online. That means that most of the learning happens through the readings and the videos that are assigned every week. It's really important that you do the readings each week. If you don't, then you're going to have a hard time with the course. Most of the readings are from academic journals, and they're written in a technical style with lots of jargon. I'm confident that you can get through them, but if you don't understand something, just ask me. I'm happy to clarify any questions you might have about the course. Outside of the reading, each week we'll also have videos that introduce the week's topic. These videos provide background information on the topic, outline the theories that we're going over for the week, and if need be, dive into some of the concepts that I think are a little confusing or difficult. I want to emphasize that these videos are not summaries of the readings. Instead, they provide an overview of the theories of the week. They should help you make sense of the readings, though, and I made them to introduce you to the subject area and to present you with the kinds of questions that social psychologists have grappled with. And there are a lot of really interesting questions in social psychology. This is the area that I study, and I absolutely love it. We're all individuals, and we're all interacting with each other in larger social networks, situated within groups and within social institutions. The underlying forces that influence and regulate these interactions are often invisible to us. But when you stop to really think about it, there's some really interesting things happening between the individual and society. And that's what we're going to look at in this class. If you need to get in touch with me, you can find my contact information in the syllabus. As I said, I am happy to speak with you about the content of the course and answer any questions you may have. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.